Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Repair. If you ever used a jump starter to get your car back on the road, you know how important it is. But what happens when your jump starter starts beeping at you? That annoying beep beep sound can drive anyone crazy, right? Well, don't worry. Today, we are going to break down why your jump starter is beeping and show you how to fix it, so you'll never have to deal with that sound again. Let's dive right in. Section 1. Why is it beeping? First things first, when your jump starter beeps, it's actually trying to help you. It's not broken. The beeping is a smart warning system designed to protect both you and your car. Let's take a look at some of the most common reasons for the beeping. Ready? Here we go. Section 2. Common reasons for the beeping. 1. Reverse polarity. Oops. You might have connected the cables wrong. If you've attached the red cable to the negative terminal and the black cable to the positive one, the jump starter will beep fast to warn you. Just swap them, and the beeping will stop. Simple fix. 2. Low battery. If your jump starter's battery is low, it's going to beep and show a battery warning icon. Time to plug it in and recharge. Always keep your jump starter fully charged, so you are never stuck when you need it most. 3. Overload or short circuit. Sometimes, you might be trying to jumpstart a car with a battery that's too large for your jump starter. When that happens, the jump starter will beep loudly to protect itself. Just make sure you are using the right size jump starter for your car's battery. 4. Temperature warning. If your jump starter gets too hot or too cold, it will beep to let you know. Extreme temperatures can damage it, so it'll shut down to prevent any issues. Store your jump starter in a place that's not too hot or too cold, and you'll be good to go. Section 3. Quick fixes. Here's a quick recap of what to do. Double-check the cables, red to red, black to black. If it's beeping for a low battery, plug it in and give it a full charge. Don't overload it. Use the right jump starter for your car's battery size. Keep it in a cool or room temperature place to avoid temperature issues. And that's it. Now you know exactly what those beeps mean and how to fix them in no time. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe to Auto Repair, and don't forget to click the bell so you never miss out on our latest tips. Got any jump starter questions? Drop them in the comments, and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay powered up, and keep your tools in check.